Hi there, welcome to this month's market update. An interesting month. We are 1 month further on from the general election, so I'll give you some thoughts on what that's done and also talk about how we expect the market to continue through the summer months and beyond. So first of all, as I always ask, please like and subscribe to this video. It really does make a difference to us. We said last month in the update video, would we expect or would we see a Stara Surge on the back of the landslide victory that we saw at the election? And I was hopeful that I'd be able to answer that question for you, albeit we're only 1 month on. I think the signs are that there is a surge in activity going on. Just to put it in context, July is normally a month where we're entering the summer, kids are breaking up from school. Of course, there's also a hell of a lot that was going on through the month as well. And we kind of expect the market to just quieten down a little bit, but that has not been the case at all. Just to give you one key stat that we can take away from the month, across our network, we have seen the number of sales agreed 42% up on where they were at this time last year. And that's an astonishing difference given where our numbers normally are. And I think a lot of that is being driven by a confidence that we're seeing in the market. And of course, we have now seen a change in interest rates. This has been a much anticipated shift that we've been waiting for. And at the start of August, there was the change in the interest rate drop from 5.25 to 5%. Now, that hasn't necessarily made a huge difference to mortgage rates. I believe that was probably already priced in. Usually the mortgage companies, lenders are expecting these sorts of things to happen. So we're not seeing a big drop in rates. But what it does do is it provides confidence and it provides a sign that rates are finally going down. And that's a good thing for the market as well. So these two things combined, the landslide victory, interest rate drops, just seem to have created this extra little flurry in activity. But what's really interesting is that that hasn't and is not necessarily leading to big increases in prices. As I've said in previous videos, this is a market that feels quite well balanced at the moment. Lots of property coming on the market, lots of people that are wanting to buy them, but a market that still remains very price sensitive. If you push your price too far, you are going to find that unfortunately you'll probably struggle to get that sale. And the skill of your agent, and I promise I'm not just saying this, has never been more important than it is right now in connecting buyer with seller and fundamentally not just doing that, driving that property through from a sale to the point where those keys are handed over. That's a really, really big part of the process that people tend to overlook. Rightmove many years ago did a piece of research, I've quoted in these videos before, that 33%, a third of all properties will experience a problem at some point in their process of sale. And it's so important to make sure you've got a team of people looking after that. So at the moment, a market that feels very well balanced. And what do we expect moving forward? Well, we are now really in the heart of the summer, the August month. Still looks very busy out there. But the question is, will we continue to see this Stara Surge carry on through the rest of the year? We're kind of expecting that we might. We'll wait and see what happens. And of course, if you want to find out more, you've got to watch these videos. I'll give you a live update of exactly what's happening across the property market in our region. And as always, thanks for watching.